हेलो एवरीवन। इंडिया मेट्रोलॉजिकल डिपार्टमेंट ने एक प्रेस रिलीज़ इशू किया है। ये प्रेस रिलीज़ एक साइक्लोन के बारे में है। एक लो प्रेशर एरिया बन रहा है नॉर्थ अंडमान सी और ईस्ट सेंट्रल बे ऑफ बंगाल के ऊपर, और अगर ये इंटेंसिफाई हो गया तो साइक्लोन बन जाएगा। अगर ये साइक्लोन बना तो इसका नाम यास रखा जाएगा। यास नाम ओमान कंट्री ने दिया है। इस प्रेस रिलीज़ में बेसिकली वार्निंग्स हैं एंड इस प्रेस रिलीज़ का पीडीएफ मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगी। आप वार्निंग्स खुद भी पढ़ सकते हो। मैं वार्निंग्स आपके लिए पढ़ देती हूँ। रेनफॉल अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स, light to moderate rainfall at most places with heavy to very heavy falls at isolated places on 22nd and 23rd May. Odisha, West Bengal and adjoining Assam and Meghalaya, light to moderate rainfall at most places with heavy falls at isolated places, very likely to commence from 25th evening with significant increase in spatial extension and intensity subsequently. Wind warnings: squally wind speed reaching 40 to 50 km per hour, gusting to 60 km per hour is likely to prevail over Southeast Bay of Bengal and South Andaman Sea from 21st May onwards in association with the likely advance of southwest monsoon. Squally wind speed reaching 45 to 55 km per hour, gusting to 65 km per hour is likely to prevail over Andaman Sea and adjoining East Central Bay of Bengal on 23rd May. It is very likely to increase, becoming 50 to 60 km per hour, gusting to 70 km per hour from 23rd May and further becoming gale wind speed during 24th to 26th May over major parts of Central Bay of Bengal and into North Bay of Bengal and along and off Odisha, West Bengal, Bangladesh coast during 25th to 27th May. Sea conditions will be rough to very rough over Southeast Bay of Bengal and South Andaman Sea from 21st May onwards. Sea conditions will be rough to very rough over Andaman Sea and adjoining East Central Bay of Bengal on 23rd May. High to very high over major parts of Central Bay of Bengal during 24th to 26th May and into North Bay of Bengal and along and off Odisha, West Bengal coast during 25th to 27th May. Very important. Fishermen warning: the fishermen are advised not to venture into Southeast Bay of Bengal and South Andaman Sea from 21st May onwards, into Central Bay of Bengal from 23rd to 25th May and into North Bay of Bengal along and off West Bengal, Odisha, Bangladesh coast from 25th to 27th May. Those who are out in the deep sea are advised to return to the coast by 23rd May. So ये सारे वार्निंग्स थी। सो आई होप अगर साइक्लोन आता है तो आप लोग सेफ़ रहोगे और अपनी फैमिली को भी सेफ़ रखोगे। सो बी प्रिपेयर्ड, ओके। एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।